Whittling across. Some great friends have asked me to become godfather to their child, and so I'm making a hand cross as a present for the christening. I'll be giving them this cross on the day that this video is released. Last year, I lost a few hawthorn trees in the winter gales, so I'm putting them back to make them less likely to fall. When pruning, I came across some hawthorn with this beautiful stained colouring. The staining is known as spalted wood and is created by a fungal infection extracting the nutrients. It is highly sought after for decorative items. You need to find the wood at just the right time so that it has this lovely pattern but has not yet become weak and rotten. I whittle the end with a knife. Taking off the other end with a chisel. Saw a notch as a buffer for the knife. Filing and sanding to give a smooth finish. Linseed oil to give the cross a deep colour and to protect it from cracking. Other projects include a small pot which I carved out of the stained wood. If you're interested in this content, then please subscribe and don't forget to check out my channel for other videos.
Why won't it come down?